Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to get the latest version of the Discord app on your Android device. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for ensuring you have the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. So let's get started with the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Google Play Store. You can usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is where you can manage your account and app settings. Tap on your profile icon, and you'll see a menu appear. From this overflow menu, select Manage Apps and Device. This will take you to a new screen where you can see all your apps and their status. Next, navigate to the Updates Available section. This area shows you all the apps on your device that have updates ready to be installed. It's a great way to keep your apps running smoothly and efficiently. Now check if Discord is listed among the apps with available updates. If it is, you'll see it here, and it may indicate the version, number, or features that the update includes. This is your chance to make sure you're using the latest version of Discord. If you see Discord in the list, simply tap on the Update button next to it. The app will begin downloading the update, and once it's complete, you'll have the latest version installed on your device. And that's it. You've successfully updated the Discord app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.